Hi, good evening. All.
Good evening, sir.
So in last session, you remember what we have tried?
Yes, sir. By creating different branches and we tried on access control.
Right. Access control and branches. Yeah. So today we'll straight away get into the 9 Git bash. So if you remember yesterday, we have tried creating multiple branches, and we have added we have done multiple commits in each branch, right?
Yes, sir.
So where am I? What is the command to check list of branches? All available branches.
Get branch hyphen.
Branch hyphen
Branch FNJ. So these are the branches we have. 3 developer branches and 1 master branch. Let's say we have different commits in each branch. Branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Now we need to integrate all these changes into the master branch. How can we do that?
merging.
So what is the first thing we should do? Where am I right now? In which branch?
Branch 3.
Branch 3. If I want to switch my branch, what is the command?
Branch checkout. Git check. Checkout.
Checkout master. Right? Switch to master. Now my current branch is master. So what is the command to merge? Git merge. First, let us merge the branch 1 changes. So it has merged, right? Updating so and so, one file changed and insertion. Now see the git log. So how many commits I have?
2.
This one yesterday we created directly in the master branch. After that, just now what we have done, we have merged of branch 1 code into the master branch. So if you see this was created by yesterday in branch 1, right? File 1 from branch 1. Let's say git merge, okay, branch 2. Why am I getting this? If I do the first branch merge, it will not ask for anything. Now this is nothing but a comment. By default, this comment will be added here. If you see yellow color, merge branch 2 to BR2, right? Merge branch 2 to BR2. You can add, you can modify here. This is like your edit file, right? Or something you can add from branch to something. Just give it from branch to master. Okay. If you want to save, just WQ and exit. Now, if you see the Git log, the initial commit was origin master. This we got it from branch 1. And why am I getting this commit? What is this commit? This is
It's a
whatever we have
merge
done.
commit.
Yeah, if you, whatever we have done September 8th yesterday, we have committed a file into branch 2. So that is merged to my master branch. This commit is coming from merging. Whenever you do the merge, one SHA ID will get added or attached to that commit or merge. That's why it was asking a message when you do the branch merge. Clear? Let's say git merge branch 3 again. So I don't want, just quit. Default is fine. Now if you see the git log, which is my this commit, it is coming from branch 3 merge. But along with that, the whatever commits are available in branch 3 will also get added here. Clear?
Yes.
This is how we can do the branch merge. Okay. Any doubts in this? So what we'll do, we will try to create few more commits in each branch. Then we can go for another scenario. What is the command to switch my branch?
Checkout.
Check out branch 1. Touch file 2 from branch 2. Okay. Git add git commit adding file 2 from branch 2, right?
Yes.
Next, check out branch 2. Git check out branch 2. Touch file 2 of branch 2. Git add right, git commit. I'm just creating a file and committing into the each individual branches. Okay. This is where am I right now? In branch 2. File 2 from branch 2. Okay. Git check out branch 3. Okay. Touch file 2 of branch 3. Git add git commit file 2 from branch 3. Okay. Now let us clear. I just created a few more commits. Now if you see the git log, what is the order it is displaying? Where am I right now?
Branch 3.
Am I in branch 3 or
Branch 3. Sir.
branch 3? This log is displaying related to only branch 3, right?
Branch 3. Yes, sir.
Git checkout master.
First.
Now you see the git log. Branch 3, branch 2, branch 1. This is the order we have followed, right?
Yes,
First we
sir.
merge branch 1, then branch 2, then branch 3. Let us say, what is the command to merge? Git merge
It means branch 1.
1. Now, if you see the git log, what will be the order now? Let us see.
Branch 1, branch 2, branch 3.
Is it in the same order or is there any change?
So we have merged the branch one. So after the head master, it is showing firstly the branch one in order.
Okay, right. We observe here, one commit of branch 1 is showing here. And where is my another commit of branch 1? Somewhere here, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to get the log of branch 1 related commits or history, it is not in a sequence mode, right? It is randomly adding wherever it is, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's say git merge br3 I'll do now. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Suppose we have given the command git merge branch 3 and we were, I think so, in the master branch, I think. Can you please scroll it down?
Yeah.
Where it is? So scroll up, yeah. Git merge branch 3 and we were in the master. So means when we are inside the BR1 and branch is master. So when we are merging the BR3, it is merging in master branch, na? Is
It is merging from BR3 to master branch. Always
master?
the current branch, whatever is set, is your target branch. And
Means
you are
master
told,
is our target branch.
yes.
Is it possible, say, we can merge branch into branch? Means if I don't, if my in place of master, if it is BR3 and we are merging BR2 to BR3, is it possible?
We can do. In fact, that will be the, which is my current branch, master.
Master branch.
So you set your current branch as a source. If you want BR2, make your current branch as BR2 and merge it from BR1 to BR2 or wherever it is. See, so what we are passing here. Okay, I'll come to that. Here, git log. Now we have merged branch 3 now, right? So one
Yes,
branch
sir.
3 is here, another branch 3 is somewhere down, right? Where it is, somewhere here, branch 3. So I don't have a group or consolidated for a branch level, right? Now, Kunal, what is your doubt right now? Git branch. Where am I? I'm in master.
Master
Git
branch.
merge to always wherever is the current branch star. We no need to specify this explicitly. By default, it will consider that this is my target branch and which is my source branch, BR2. Clear? I'm merging from BR2 to my master.
Master branch.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is what you doubt, right? Why am I merging
sir.
by default? So you can merge always from any branch to any branch. It's not, it's all depends on the, see, team one has some code, team two has some other code, both are using different branches. So they need to sync between, right, for integration before moving to the master branch. There will be a developer integration branch as well. So they will merge in some scenarios. They will first merge it to their integration branch. Then they will do the whatever the regulations testing, everything, developer testing. Basically, there will be a separate suits for development team. Once that is successful or it has passed, then only they will merge it to the master. Clear? So now the disadvantage of using merge is, this is the one, you don't have a consolidated branch level logs. See here, branch 3, branch 2. Is it in order? Which one we have done just now? We have merged branch 2.
Branch 2.
It's supposed to come in the first, right? But why am I getting branch 3, which was merged previous to this? My branch 3 merge was one step ahead of this, right? But if you see the log, branch 3 is coming first, branch 2 is here. So there is no order here. Okay, it will come randomly, whatever way. Is it easy to sometimes what happens, you will unnecessarily spend time to identify who has merged or which branch, all those things. Here we are talking about 1 or 2. In general, there will be hundreds of commits, right? Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about others, Manjushri?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, good. So this you can try actually. Create multiple dev branches, just and create few commits, merge all dev branch changes to master using command
Git merged.
Git merge branch name.
git merge branch name. Before that, what is the rule? Check out master, right? Correct. So what are the disadvantage, or you can say the branch locks are not in sequence, right?
Yes.
Branch merge logs are not in sequence.
Sir,
So,
in branch merging also conflict is possible.
yes. That's where actually you will get a lot of conflicts, not one, many, right? There will be 10 developers working in one team, say another 10 developers are working in another team. Both are, let's say, both the teams have modified same files, right? There is a high possibility of modifying same files. If we take a project in real-time scenarios, the common files will get modified very frequently by different teams and different developers. In fact, by default, you can expect a conflicts whenever you're doing the branch merge. If you are not getting, then you are lucky. That's what we feel.
Oh yeah.
Of course, our role is just generate a report and send it to the development team. They will resolve it and they will get it back. Once the branch is fixed, then I mean, once the conflicts are resolved, then we'll merge it back again. So, then tell me one thing. Yeah, it's the another one is it merge will create another commit ID, correct? And another problem is we cannot merge with orphan branches. We'll talk about what is orphan. For now, it is the orphan branch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is orphan branch? Did we talk about orphan branches today? Basically, there is no difference if you create a developer branch or feature branch. This will have the history, but whereas if you take orphan branch, there will not be any history. Basically, you can say has no parents. Or Git history, meaning Git history won't be there. Okay, there is a separate command to create orphan branch. We'll talk about that as well. We'll create one orphan branch. We created other branches, right? Developer branches, and so the command to create orphan branches, git checkout. Where am I right now? Checkout hyphen orphan. So your branch name. Okay. Orphan. Yeah. Orphan branch. This is the branch name. Is a problem. Spelling wrong. Okay. Now tell me if I display. If I use the command git branch -a, will my orphan branch will display or not? Will it display?
Already.
See, in other way, yesterday if you see, as soon as you create a branch and use branch -a, we got the branch list, right?
Yes.
Similar way, is it displaying? What is my branch name? ORP branch,
Branch,
right?
not display.
What did you say?
Current branch is orphan branch.
Okay.
Does not in commits.
Now I have so many files in this branch. If I give the git status, files are there, right? In this branch.
Yes, sir.
But why the branch is not displaying? Okay, let's say, what is the command to remove? What is the state of these files now?
Track.
Cached. That means it is in
Stage.
staged, right? So if I want to
Stage.
remove the files from staging area, what is the command?
Git
Git
reverse.
to remove the files from the staging area. What is the command? Git. Forgot.
RM
I may
cached.
cached file.
See, always we'll have the answer here. For any command,
Yes, sir.
for most of the commands, right? On the screen itself, we'll find the answers. If I want to delete all the files one shot,
Start.
that is a normal rule, right? Now see the git status. What will be the status of these files now?
All
We
files
removed.
Track.
Sorry,
If we are removing the unstaged.
unstaged, untracked. Yes, it's all now untracked, right? If I want to delete permanently, what is the command? What is the command to remove permanently?
Star. Okay. Let's
Right?
Yeah.
Let's say
start.
fetch file one or some different name will give. Test file one. Okay. Let us add this. I have only one file now, right? Test file. Right? Where am I right now? First of all,
Orphan branch.
Orphan branch.
where is my orphan branch?
No, it is not listed.
It is not showing.
So which is my current branch?
Orphan branch.
Displaying now?
Yes, sir.
So these are the steps. Earlier, as soon as you create a branch, it was displaying the normal branch. But orphan branch,
Yes, sir.
you will not have the history. That's what.
Restart.
Since when you created a branch 1 or branch 2, branch 3, there was a parent branch for that, right? There was a commit which will come from the parent.
Yes.
That's why it was displaying by default. Orphan branch will not have a parent. Okay, no history at all for that. The word itself will explain the reason. I mean, the definition of that, right?
Yes.
So generally, orphan branches, when do we need it? If we don't want to, these are all temporary purpose they'll use sometimes. They don't want to connect with other features sometimes. So that time they'll go for the orphan branch for some time until their features are complete. Then they will merge it back to the actual branches, whatever it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the different types of branches. Now let us go back to the okay. Now we have deleted files physically, right? If you remember those files we deleted physically.
Yeah.
Was it deleted in all the places or only for that specific location? If you remember, what are the files we deleted? File 1 BR2, file 1 and file 2 BR1 to 3. When I switch back here, all files are here. file 1, file 2, 3, and 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
right? So that is specific to a branch wherever you are working.
Sir, but it is displaying total as in 0, no count when you did ls minus that.
All are empty, right?
Okay.
There's no content.
Mhm.
That's it. Okay. Can we merge an R1 branch to master? Where am I right now? Git.
Master.
I'm in master. What is the command to merge?
Git merge branch.
Git merge. What is my branch name? ORP-by. Yeah. Can we merge this way? Let's see. You got it? It's like I don't want to get in touch with any of you. Just I want to work alone until and unless I'm done with my changes or I'm okay. Completely some new feature is developing which will go and disturb the other things. And in that case, I don't want to. I can go ahead and create the orphan branch. I can work completely with on my own. Clear? You cannot do the merge. I think we made a note of this, right? We cannot merge with an orphan branch. This is what we cannot merge. Okay. So now we saw there are some disadvantages. Logs are not displaying in a consolidated way of branch wise. So there should be some way to do the things in a better way, right? So there is another command called rebase. Okay.
Yes.
Rebase. What is the difference between git merge and git rebase? Let's say, where am I right now? Let's go back. Let's say branch 1 mkdir of repo 3 cd to repo 3. Do I have anything? Konak, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we don't have anything, and we'll just what is the command to initialize git?
Git init.
Git init.
Git init.
Now initiated dot git created, right? Let's say touch master file. Git add I have only my master, correct? What is the command to create a branch?
Git branch name.
So I'll create again branch 1.
Branch 1.
Okay. Rebase. Okay. Again, create another branches. Branch 2, git branch 3. I created another 3 branches. Okay. This is completely a new repo which we created, right? That's why it is allowing the same repo names. Don't get confused. We moved to some other repo, if you remember, repo 3.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
We'll create one with orphan branch also. What is the command to create a orphan branch?
Git checkout -orphan branch name.
Orphan branch 1, you can say. Right?
Yes, sir.
How many branches I have now? 3. See,
Branches.
my orphan branch is not displaying. Other branches are displaying branch 1, branch 2,
Yes,
branch
sir.
3. This is what I was talking. So orphan branch will not have any history. There is no. Okay. So where am I now? Right now, I'm in orphan branch, right? Let us display the orphan branch also. How can we display the orphan branch? To display the orphan branch, so what we should do first?
Any history or data. Git commit.
FNM. What is that? File 1 to
Or branch 1.
Clear? Git branch -a. My orphan branch is displaying now, right?
Yes, sir.
Git. What is the command to switch branch?
Checkout. Git checkout.
Branch 1.
Master.
We'll go to branch 1 first.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Git log. What do I have? I have only the initial one what we have created, right? Touch. Same will take a file 1 from branch 1. Okay. Git add. Git commit FNM. File 1 from branch 1. Okay. Git checkout branch 2. Okay. Touch file 1 from branch 2. Git add. Git commit file 1 from branch 2. Right? Checkout branch 3. Just added 3 files and completed. It's all. Created 3 commits. Okay. Now clear this. Go to the master now. You can see git log. This much. Okay. Git checkout master. Okay. Clear? I am right now in the master branch. Right? Now the command same like git merge. Okay. Git rebase branch name. There's no difference. This is also for merging only. I mean, typically you can say commands are different, but to sync the code between different merges, we'll see what is the difference between git rebase and git merge. Okay. So where are we right now?
Master branch.
Master branch. So let's say git rebase branch 1. Successfully rebased and updated reference. See the log. How many I have? Earlier there was one which we committed manually. When I do the rebase, how many commits I got it here?
1 commit.
Whereas in the merge, git merge, Git merge branch 1. We got 2 commits. One was for actual commit of the branch 1, another one is the merge commit. Right? If you see what is the first point we mentioned here. Merge will create another commit ID for merging.
Yes, sir.
But whereas rebase, no. Whenever you want a linear history, generally will go for git rebase instead of merge. Clear? Let us say
It is same committed.
git rebase branch 2. See the log. Which is my first log? Branch 2 or branch 1?
Branch 1.
Branch 1. So what was the sequence we maintained? Okay, let us do one more commit, then we'll come to git rebase, which is pending now.
Branch D successfully updated.
Log. So what is the order you're finding it now?
Top to bottom 1, 2, 3.
When we are doing rebase, it is in sequence.
Exactly. The logs will get displayed in a consolidated way and in sequence. First, we have done the branch 1 merge. Next, branch 2. Next, branch 3. Correct? Clear?
Sir.
Just to make it more clear. Git checkout branch 1. Right? I'm in branch 1 now. Touch file 2 of branch 2.
Branch.
Git add. Git commit
I1.
file 2 from branch 1. Correct? Git checkout branch 2. Touch. Oh, file 2 by branch 2 added. It's okay. 2, 1. Branch 2. So I'm just trying to create a few more commits. That's all. In all 3 branches. Branch 3. Now, in which branch I am right now? So let us rebase to the master now. Okay. Where am I? Master. I'm in my master now. Okay. So, what is the command to rebase?
Git rebase.
Okay.
Branch 1.
Branch 1. Did you observe there was some number displaying and just disappearing when we are doing it?
Commit ID 1400B6.
Git log. Okay, we'll see in next. So which is sorry, which is my first? This comment we I think by mistake instead of branch 1 we have entered branch 2. Which is the first commit now? Branch 1 commit. This is actually branch 1 commit. Earlier it was branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. That was the sequence. We have done the rebase. Now let's say git rebase. Now I'll go
Branch
to
2.
branch 3 first.
Okay, sir.
Branch 1 is done. Now I'm doing branch 3. What will be the order now? Which order I will get it now? Logs will be displayed in the which order? Have you observed anything here? Any difference?
All the commit from branch 1 are in the same place, and all the commit from branch 3 are in same place. Sequence.
Exactly. It is in the sequence along with the consolidated log in a branch wise, right? My branch 1 logs are here. My branch 3 logs are here. Branch 2, we have done only one merge. We have not yet done. That's why only one commit ID, I am finding it here. Clear? Git rebase branch 2. Where is my branch 2? This is my branch 3. So if you use a rebase, your logs will be in a more organized way. Correct?
Yes.
So rebase will always give the linear history. So that is the difference between git merge and rebase. This will be default interview questions on the GitHub. What is the difference between rebase and git merge? Okay.
Yes.
Now the question is for you guys. Can we merge an orphan branch? Sorry, can we rebase an orphan branch? Can we rebase an orphan branch? What is the command to rebase?
Git rebase -.
What is the first? Let me. Or p branch 1. Git rebase.
RPI1 BR1. Yes, successful.
You got the other difference?
There was
You
some
should have got a
mod.
doubt actually when we were talking about orphan branches cannot be merged. Then how can we sync? Right? You cannot merge with an orphan branch. Then how can we sync with other branches once you are done with your all work? So use the rebase. Sorry, Manjushri, you were asking something.
No, sir. Nothing.
Is it clear?
It's a little confusing. Can you explain it once again?
Which one difference between rebase and merge is it?
No, that I got it.
Mhm.
Can we do the git rebase of orphan branches?
Yes, that's what we have done now here. If you see,
Yeah.
git merge is not allowed on the orphan branch, but
Okay.
git rebase is allowed.
Okay.
See, a certain point, orphan branches will be like most of the time will be like temporary purpose. So whatever the work is done on the orphan branch, so we may have to sync with other branches. can be master or some other feature branch. So in that case, by using the rebase option, we can seek the orphan changes to other branches.
Okay.
You can see here, right, in the log.
Yes.
This is more linear history, right? Whereas if you remember the merge, git log of merge history, it was too clumsy,
Not in
right?
the sequence.
Yeah,
Yes.
you cannot identify what is happening, which commit ID. So here the head point is very, very important. So here it will go in a sequence mode with the option of rebase.
Rebase.
There is one disadvantage here in some cases. If you understand the difference, actual difference between your merge and the rebase, can you tell me what is the another difference which you are finding it here?
When we merge it was committing a different ID, no? And when we do rebase, there was no other commit ID.
Right, you are right. But what is the is there any benefit with that? Did you think? Others? Anyone can tell?
You
We are
should be
getting
giving commit ID to unstage, no? Or that.
Yeah, you are almost there. Yes, perfect. So assume that you have done a git merge. There is a separate commit ID for that, for merge. Let's say 50 commits are there as part of that merge. Okay, you are merging a 50 commits to a master branch from a feature branch. Okay, feature branch. 50 commits you are doing, committing it to the master branch. For some reason, after integrating with the master, they give a team for, and they identified a major issue. If you want to revert back, how will you revert it? You cannot go by commit 50 commits and undo. You cannot undo that, right?
Yes.
So using the merge commit ID, you can undo all together, one shot. So that is the use of your merge, right? Based on the requirement, generally people will decide whether they want to rebase or they want to merge. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, there are two more mergers which you can try it out. Just try to follow the same steps whatever we have done today. Try to create multiple branches and add files and commit those changes in all the branches. But whatever we have done, it was merging all. Let's say when we use the command git, if you see the number 4 of 4, 3 of 3, something was displaying actually when we using rebase or something. That is the number of commits or merges. Logs, basically you can say that entry was happening. So git merge branch 1. In this, the branch 1 has somewhere around 10 commits. Okay, but I want to merge only one commit. What happened when you use this? Whatever the changes are available in branch 1, all changes got merged into the master or the current branch, whatever it is. In our case, consider master only. But I don't want to do in that way. Out of 10 commits, there are 10 developers or 5 developers working on a branch 1. Out of that, I want to commit only changes done by one developer. How can we do that? Clear the scenario, what I was trying to say?
Yes.
So how can we do that?
So by reverting all the 9 commits and keeping only one commit in the staging, we can merge.
But how will you revert? I just said 10 commits, maybe 100 commits. Out of 100 commits, I want only one commit. Is it a good practice to unstage other 99 and just commit one?
Not good.
Others? Banu, Konak? So there is another merge called cherry pick. Okay. Here you can specify for every commit you will have a unique commit ID, right? Which is SHA ID.
Sure.
Right. This cherry pick is nothing but by considering the specific commit ID, we can
Commit ID.
merge. We specify the commit ID, SHA ID. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. This is one we can try it out. There is another command. Let's say there are 10 branches, developer branches or future branches, where developers, each developer has done maybe 10 commits. Okay, I have 3 dev branches. Okay, each one has 10 commits, right? 10 commits. When I am merging these 10 commits to master, how many commits it will become in the log? What will be the count of log?
20.
3 developers, 3 developer branches, each one has 10 commits. It is simple. 3 into 10, 30, right?
30 commits.
See, in my master branch, it will become 30 commits, but I don't want 30 commits. Why should I maintain? I have already 10 commits on each branch. And is there any difference between the developer branch commit details and my master branch commit details? There will not be, right? It will just copy from there to there. I'm talking about logs, not the content.
Okay.
Right? Instead of maintaining all these 30 commits, I just want to finish with 3 commits, one from each dev branch. How can we do that? So there is, you are clear, right? What I'm trying to say here.
Yes, yes.
There are n number of commits, but I don't want to carry all those n number of commits into my master branch when I am merging it or rebasing it. So there is another option called squash merge. Okay. What it does, it will consolidate all 10 commits and it will create only one commit out of 10 together. So that single commit ID will get recorded in my master whenever you use squash merge. Clear? So you can try out the cherry pick and the squash merge.
Squash merge.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So yeah, any doubts so far? We have added rebase command and git merge. Yeah. The concepts are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you practice, then automatically you can remember based on your requirement.
Yeah.
Okay. I know Konark is practicing because he's getting some doubts and he's asking me. So Banu and Industry also practice whenever you get time. So that will be easy for you to.
Yeah, I'm also practicing it, but I'm like watching your video and parallelly I'm practicing it. But I
Okay.
didn't try any different scenarios. I
Got
have to
it.
try that.
Yeah. If you cover whatever we have covered in our class, I think those are the maximum scenarios which you will get in real time also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Konark, clear the today's concept difference between merge and rebase,
Yes, sir.
cherry pick, squash merge. These are the 4 types. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Banu, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up the session. And
Yeah,
from
sir.
next class, we'll talk about the build tools. So maybe 2-3 classes or maybe 3-4 classes. Then post that, because build tools are required for the Jenkins. So the combination of Linux, Git, and the build tools will be used in the Jenkins. Okay, then. Yeah, thank you. I'll share the details in some place. Bye.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Super.